Hey everyone, this is Tushar from EnglishWise. Today we are looking at how to make simple, compound and complex sentences. So if you're preparing for the IELTS examination, a requirement for you for 7 band scores is usually you need to have a mixture of simple and complex sentences. So what are simple, compound and complex sentences? If you look at a simple sentence is a mixture of a subject and a predicate. So looking at an example, the boys went to the park. The boys is the subject because they are the action doer, and went to the park is the predicate, which consists of your verb and your object. If you look at we like pizza in this sentence, we is the subject, like pizza is the predicate. Looking at how to make compound sentences, you will need to have two independent clauses or two simple sentences. They need to be connected with a conjunction given to you on the list here, and we can make compound sentences like so. So we like pizza and we like pasta. So in the sentence we like pizza, you can take it up as a simple sentence, and we becomes your subject, like and pizza are your predicate, and becomes your connector or your conjunction, and we like pasta becomes we as your subject and like pasta as your predicate. So to remember how to make compound sentences, you only need to remember this trick word over here, fanboys, where F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Looking at how to make compound sentences and complex sentences, we need to have an independent clause and a subordinate clause. So an example of that would be, since the boys went to the zoo, they will not go to the park. So in the sentence, since the boys went to the zoo becomes your subordinating clause, and they will not go to the park becomes your independent clause. They are both connected by a connector, since. So this since is your subordinate conjunctions. So looking at complex sentences and how to make them, they come to you in different categories. So you can make complex sentences using conjunctions of comparison, of time, of condition, of reason, of concession, and of place. Some examples of conjunctions or subordinate conjunctions for comparison becomes rather than or as much as. If you're looking at time, it could be since, it could be when, it could be whenever. If you're looking at condition, it could be unless, it could be if. If you're looking at reason, it could be because, it could be since, it could be as. Looking at concession, when you are comparing two sentences or clauses, you can use although or though or even though. If you're looking at place, it could be wherever or it could be how. So that is how you can make simple, compound and complex sentences in your sentences in IELTS. Thank you everybody.